everyone, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hopefully you all will fine. I am Ikra Tehseen and I am here to teach you English. Let's start our class now. Today we are going to discuss a poem. The name of the poem is Little Rain Drops. First I'll explain about this poem. In this poem, the poet basically addressing the raindrops. In this, the poet is saying that the raindrops are falling over the window pane. Today we will read this poem. The name of this poem is Little Raindrops. In this poem, the poet is addressing the raindrops. The raindrops are falling from a window pane and that are making a sound like pitter patter, pitter patter. He is also saying that these raindrops stopped me in the house and he couldn't go outside, he could not play and he could not go anywhere. The poet is very naughty, so all the playthings are away from him. So at the end, he decided that he should play with these raindrops. Now we will move toward the grammar work and after that we will do reading of this poem. Grammar work is here singular and plural. Singular means that is showing single or one thing, and in plural that showing more than one things, that are called plural. So here are some examples. In singular, tree, and more than one called trees. In plural, tree, trees, chick, chicks, bird, birds, cat, cats, book, books. So these were the singular and plural. Now we will move toward the reading of this poem, Little Raindrops. Now we will do reading of this poem, Little Raindrops, on book page number 89. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain, pitter patter, down the window pane. They won't let me walk, and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors at all today. They put away my playthings because I broke them all, and then they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. They say I am very naughty, but I have nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. On book page number 90, here is exercise of this poem. Number A, understanding the poem. Talk about the following with your teacher and then write the answers. Here are some questions that are also in booklet and we will write the answer in the booklet. Number B, working with words. Question number 1, what sounds are made by the following? Number A, a rusty door shutting. The sound of rusting door shutting is hinge. And number B, a balloon bursting, pop. Number C, a drum being beaten, thump. T-H-U-M-P, thump. Number D, thunder, that is rumble. R-U-M, rumble, R-U-M-B-L-E, rumble. Number E, a car horn, beep. Number F, a window screen wiper, swish. Question number 2 and this part C that are skipped. On booklet page number 70, here are some questions of poem Little Raindrops, and they also given here 3 options. First we will read the question and we will circle the correct answer. Question number 1. What sounds do the raindrops make? Number A, pitter patter. Number B, tip tip. Number C, trip trop. And correct answer is pitter patter. Question number 2. Who do you think is speaking in the poem? Option number A, a girl. Number B, the poet. Number C, the frogs. And the correct answer is the poet. So we will circle number B. Question number 3. Why can't the speaker go out? Number A, because it is raining. Number B, because it's sunny outside. Number C, because it's hailing outside. And the correct answer is because it's raining. Question number 4. Why can't the speaker play indoor? And we have 3 options. Number A, because the poet is silly. Number B, because the poet breaks her playthings. Number C, because the poet is sleepy. And the correct answer is number B, because the poet breaks her playthings. Question number 5. What does the speaker want to do? Number A, to play with raindrops. Number B, to run outside. Number C, to make snowman outside. Correct answer is number A, to play with raindrops. On booklet page number 64, here is grammar work, singular, plural. And his definition. Showing no more than one thing is called singular. Relating to a form of a word that refers to more than one person or thing is called plural. Single or one thing is called singular and more than one person or thing is called plural. Also keep it in your mind that when you are converting a singular into plural, you only need to add s at the last of the word. Write plural of the given singular words. Number 1, tree. I am solving here TREE, and at the end of this word we will add only s. So keep it in your mind that at the end when you are converting singular into plural, you will add only s at the end. Like this you will solve this whole page number 64. On page number 65, match the singular words with the plural words. You need to match the singular word with its plural. Star, so you will match it with word stars. Fan, fans. Shoe, shoes. Horse, horses. Plant, plants. So that was your grammar work, singular and plurals. Hopefully you have got good understanding about this poem Little Raindrops and grammar work, singular, plurals. So keep learning at your home. Meet you soon in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.